Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Madam Excellence here. So today I'll be showing you how to do Banga soup. It is also called Atama soup. And we're just going straight into the video, no waste of time. So in a hot pan, medium heat though, just scoop out your palm kernel oil. Like so, what I'm doing, I'm just scooping it out. If you have the fresh palm front, just boil them, put them in a mortar, pound it with pistol, then pour hot water in it. Make sure you soak it for about 5 minutes, let the oil soak in, and then you drain it before you put it in the pot. But this one, all that is already done. We are just scooping it from the can, the mix. Scoop it into your pot, the hot pan, medium heat though. And when it's all dissolved like so, on the side you've already boiled hot water. So this is my hot water. I'm going in with my hot water and I'm going in to dissolve it properly. Just about 2 cups of water, depending on how much your banga soup is. For me, I use 3 cans. Like the can I just showed you, 3 cans of that. That's what I'm using to cook this soup. And then make sure you dissolve all the lumps, make sure there are no lumps. And still on medium heat, I'm putting in my cooked goat meat and dried fish and stockfish. You've already cooked your meat, you've cooked it down. If you want full details of this soup recipe, I'm going to be putting the other video in my description box. You check it out, full recipe, full video. But this one, I'm just showing you straight to the point. But then you put in your cooked meat and go ahead and put in your blended peppers. So I blended bell peppers, I blended red chili peppers, I blended, all the hot peppers with onions. Pour it in. When it comes to a boil, put in your Maggi cubes, put in your crayfish. That's what I just put in now. And then Banga soup spice. That's what I'm putting now. This will bring it a new flavor. It's going to elevate the flavor. And you just put it in, let it boil, medium heat, guys. We don't want it to, start burning. So just put it in, give it a good stir. Yeah, if you're new to this channel, you know what to do. It is totally free. Like this video and please subscribe. So right ahead, we're putting in our salt to taste, and then I have some shrimps. I'm going to be putting it in. I just want when I take a little ball of my gari, I'm going in with something, I'm coming out with something, So put in whatever you want to put into this soup. For me, I just use shrimps, dried fish, salmon fish, goat meat, and stock fish. So, and I already baked my fish. That's my salmon fish right now going in. I put it in the oven and I baked it. And then I'm just throwing it in and I'll let it sit again for like 2-3 minutes. Let it just marinate. Just soak in the soup and the spices. Give it a good stir it all up. This is gonna be so delicious, guys. This soup is so simple, especially if you're based outside Nigeria. It's so simple, very, very simple. And then I'm going in with my bitter leaf. I love to put bitter leaves in this kind of soup. It just makes it a little medicinal. You're eating and you're just feeling the bitter leaf and all that. It just gives it this sweet, bitter aftertaste. Just go in, put it in, and once we put this in, no need to keep it on the fire for too long. You put it in, give it a good stir. 1 minute is okay, and you just off the fire, and you're pretty much done. You are pretty much done, guys. This video was a short one. Check out my other video if you want the full details of how to cook banga soup. Check out my other videos. And there you go. That plate is for my little baby. She has to eat swallow too. She's a Nigerian, whether she likes it or not. Thank you.